welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Jenna Redfield. Today I'm doing a little bit of a different type of video. I'm kind of walking you through a day in my life. I kind of did one of these already, but this one is more with my new template and kind of going back and forth between vlog style and how then I would track my day using Notion. So this will be interesting. I'll start my day with like breakfast, then morning routine, lunch, work, dinner, fitness, all the things. So I hope that you guys enjoy this. Let me know if you like this type of style. You can grab the template below. It's now available on Gumroad. I'm going to also be chopping up the template into smaller pieces. So if you just want part of the template, that should be available very soon. And then also we will be coming out eventually with some business ones, some content planning ones. It doesn't take, I have to work on it, so it's not going to be overnight. So I hope you guys watch this video and check it out. Make sure to join our Facebook group. Make sure to check out our website. Oh, also our Facebook group is now officially a Notion community. So excited about that. So you can check it out on the Notion website. So thanks so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe for more, and let's get to the video. So the first thing I do in the morning is I eat breakfast. I have this oatmeal recipe. You just use old-fashioned oats, as well as some chia seeds. Chia seeds are really good for you, so I just keep them in this little container here. And it's really hard to do this with one hand. I'm filming on my phone. But basically I sprinkle some of that in. I'm the only one that uses the chia seeds, so FYI. Anyway, so then I put some water in there, and then I put it in the microwave for 2 minutes on power level 6. And then once that's done in the microwave, I get out a tablespoon of MCT oil, which helps with weight loss as well as brain function. So I pour that in. Again, very hard to do one-handed. Probably should have gotten a tripod for this. I put that inside of the oatmeal, kind of stir that around. Then I add in some collagen peptides. So that's healthy for you, helps with your skin and hair. And then I, again, mix that around. Then I get some PB2, which is powdered peanut butter. You can see I'm struggling. I try to get just a little bit in instead of peanut butter. It's a lot healthier for you. Then I also add some hemp seeds, which are great for you. A lot of protein in there. So this is very protein heavy with the oats, very healthy breakfast. I have this every single day. Obviously got to add some sweetness to it. So I add some dark chocolate chips from Aldi. I also add in some almond milk and some maple syrup just to kind of sweeten it up. And then finally I add some frozen blueberries, and that's it. I mix it up and it's amazing. Love it. Okay, so let's just pretend that this is the start of the day. I tend to spend every day creating the oatmeal, which you guys have just seen. So I could even preempt that in there and put the oatmeal. You can see if I click into oatmeal, I could even add the ingredients if I wanted to, which is blueberries, maple syrup. So you can set it up however you want, whatever you use with your oatmeal. And then you could see that that's now part of the meal plan. So this is me in the morning. I haven't put my contacts in yet. I got my, just took a shower. So I usually eat breakfast and then I take a shower. I'm gonna put my makeup on, obviously with my clothes on. I will, after this point, after I get everything ready, today I have a meeting at 7:30, which doesn't usually happen this early, but she's in Europe. But I usually then would... So sometimes I straighten my hair if it's a little clunky, but today it's not so bad. This is just me with hair dry. Like I don't do, my hair is so straight. But yeah, so this is my morning routine for getting ready. I put my makeup on, get dressed, and I have my meeting in about 20 minutes. So I have a little bit of time to spare. Usually I'd like read or watch a YouTube video or something, get ready for this meeting. Again, it's more of like a chat. It's not like a business meeting, but yeah, that's kind of my morning routine. My goal is to start doing more of like the miracle morning stuff, and maybe I'll do that after my meeting's over. The reading, journaling, that kind of stuff, so we can get into Notion then, so we can go through my morning checklist, get into work, and then eventually move to lunch, that kind of stuff. So let's go. So now moving into my morning routine. If I wanted to, I could listen to some music, move down. So to start with savers, usually in the morning I could do my silence or stretch routine, listen to some affirmations. I usually do them while I'm doing my makeup. Visualization, again, you can go through, I just have some playlists. You can put your own things here. Exercise, like I showed before, this is a link back to your daily workout summary. And then here we've got reading. These are the books that I've added here, but you can add whatever you want. And then scribing. So one of the things you can do in the morning is you could change your mood. So if I want to be happy, and this is either where you can do your thoughts and journals, or you could even do it down here. So you can just start typing, today I'm feeling blah, blah, blah. I could do that in the morning, and you'll see it links back to the tracker. Now down here, I also have my daily checklist. So the first things I do in the morning, have a drink water, stretches, make my bed, meditate, put on clothes, put on makeup, take morning, let's see, what is this? Vitamins, take a shower. So I walk usually at the end of the day, but sometimes I put that in the morning, etc., etc. You could even do it from here, workout, if you end up doing that. Okay, so say I also wanted to come up with my outfit. I'd go into morning routine, go down to here, and then here you can pick out your outfit. So I have gray tank, I've got, let's just put jeans, whatever you have. Say that I'm gonna be wearing blue jeans today. You'll see that that now is here, which then should roll back into here. So you'll see I now have gray tank and blue jeans. I'm gonna make sure that that is seen. Outfit, so now you can see what you've been wearing. So that can be done directly from the morning routine, because usually you get dressed in the morning, right? First things I do is I turn on my heater because it's so cold in here. I live in Minnesota, it is freezing, so I have a heater right by my feet. I do wear shorts, which is weird. Sometimes it gets too hot, so I just wear shorts. Plus people can't see. I do have over here my standing desk, but I also just have like a regular table desk. For this meeting, I'm just gonna sit. I kind of go in between standing and sitting. I need to stand more. So today I'm going to try doing that a little bit more. It's definitely something that I want to be better at, but does not happen. Okay, so I just finished with my chat with my friend over in Europe. So one of the things I do in the morning is I do my Wordle. So I've got that right here on my computer. So I'm gonna solve the Wordle. So you'll be watching this the day after, so I guess I might as well just share what I got. I got it in 5. This is what I guessed. This is yesterday, so you should have, if you didn't do Wordle, this is what I got. If it's time to work, we can head into my daily calendar. I can see my upcoming meetings. My calendar is over here. This is actually not included in the template, but I am going to come up with something soon with this. But you can add any daily tasks into your to-do list. I've got my contacts down here. I've got my content creation pipeline. So one of the things that I like to do is I like to go back in and find my content creation pipeline. So this is one that I've been using now. Right now I'm doing a program called Ship 30 for 30. This is actually a template I got from one of the women in the program, and every day I have to write something. So right here I have all of my idea list. I've got the order of things I'm writing, and then this is my published articles all on Twitter. So this is something that I'm using to plan out my process. But I also use this for other, so I have the atomic essays here, but I have my regular pipeline. You can see I have this YouTube video that's going to be published. It's supposed to be published Friday. It's going to be published Saturday. So you can see I can change that and then show that that's what I'm going to be publishing next. So it's filtered so that the published date is after yesterday. I can see it in multiple views. If there's any other campaigns, I have my past stuff that I'm working on. So that's kind of how I work with my content creation. I'm also going to be working on some work stuff for how to, work with clients. That stuff I don't have ready. So I'm still kind of working on that, but I just wanted to mention that this is kind of how I plan out my stuff. I've done some content creation stuff. This is mostly taken from a template by Landmark Labs. I've done a little bit of stuff with them, but it's been really helpful to have this for my content creation. So I'm about to make some lunch. I just went to the library to drop off an overdue book, pick some more up. So that was mid-morning thing I had to do. I'd like to just get things done if I know I need to do them. So today I'm gonna be making an air fryer chicken, frozen chicken breast. And I got this like chicken sauce from Walmart that I saw in a TikTok. So I'm gonna make that. I'm also gonna make something in the microwave. So yeah, that's how, so I kind of plan either the day before or day of my meals, and then I track them in Notion. I'll show you guys that. I have the Instant Pot air fryer, which has like the air fryer lid. So I bought that. So it looks like it is an Instant Pot, but I turned it into an air fryer with the add-on. So that's how I make everything in here. So I got my frozen chicken breast. I'm going to rinse it off. Just like to do that. Spray it with some cooking spray, both sides. And then I add, it's so good. It's so good. It's like $2 at Trader Joe's, and it's got like 21 different seasonings. So I just sprinkled that on both sides. After I've seasoned both sides, I put it in the Instant Pot air fryer. Air fry it and then set it at 370 for, I did about 32 minutes, and then flip it halfway through. I saw this in a TikTok video. It's veggie pasta rotini marinara from Bird's Eye from Walmart. So I'm also gonna put this in the microwave and have this as like a side dish. I don't know if I'm gonna eat it all because I also have the chicken. So if I have leftovers, I will put that in the fridge. So that's my lunch. I might have some other things too. We'll see. I maybe make some corn for a veggie. This looks really good. I'm excited to try it. It has zucchini and lentils. Healthy. That's really, really good. I'm gonna eat this while I wait for my chicken to finish, and then when I do that, I'm gonna have that for lunch. I'm not gonna probably eat all this. That looks so yummy. I'm only gonna eat part of it and then save the rest for later, for maybe chicken quesadillas or just to reheat and put in the air fryer another day. It's not feeling great, so I'm just gonna have some pizza. So this is my new way of making pizza. I get a low carb balance, like a carb balanced tortilla. I get some pizza sauce. This is from Devani's. This is like the easiest meal ever. Like it's easy as toast. I'm not even joking. Like it's probably just as easy and takes about as much time to make as toast, which I also eat a lot. So then I add some mozzarella cheese on top, put it in the air fryer, 400 for 5 minutes. Yum. And then I have some of this. This is like my dessert. It's a s'more Giovanni flip, low-fat Greek yogurt. That's all in the night. So moving into meal planning, I have lunch and dinner. So for lunch, you saw that I had the chicken breast in the air fryer, which also has the link to the YouTube recipe, whatever you need. And then dinner, I had the pizza, air fryer pizza. And so I could have that planned ahead of time if I wanted to. So then now so that's something that you can do also. The things I've been doing for the past couple of, like probably almost 2 weeks, is walking 10,000 steps per day. And because it's cold out, I do it just around the house. So I walk in circles. Sometimes I watch TV, sometimes I listen to podcasts, but I'm getting my steps in, and I've hit 10,000 every day for the past like 2 weeks. Usually I do it at night, like 8 o'clock. I just kind of walk around, and today I'm doing it a little earlier because I'm feeling like I can't focus. So I'm like, I'm just gonna go on my walks. So one of the things that you could do in the morning or even in the evening, whenever you want, is you can add your steps and weight. So let's say I did 10,000 steps and I weighed 140. Let's just say that. Now, if you go back, you will see that it shows up here. So you'll see again, it rolls back into that daily life tracker, 10,000 step roll up. And then down here, it's weight at 140. So you see how it quickly adds it in depending on how you want to do things. All right, now it's evening time, so we got to go through our checklist. What have I done? Have I charged my appliances? Put my hair cream on, which I put at night. Mouth tape, schedule tomorrow, take vitamins, and have I read? And then so you can add whatever checklist you have. If there's any books or any movies or TV shows you want to consume, you can look here as well. I have it in multiple views. So that's your nighttime, and that should be added here. So we've got the meals, we've got, everything that you've set up. And then we've got, so now